Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to get unshadowbanned on TikTok. First, you should check your videos, captions and hashtags for anything against the rules and remove it. Taking a break from posting and clearing your application cache for a few days helps the algorithm reset. Try reinstalling TikTok and switching to Pro account to track your reach. Focus on real, original content and avoid spammy actions like mass following or buying followers. And of course, be patient. Shadow bans usually last a few days to 2 weeks. And if needed, you can report the issue to TikTok support team. But basically, yeah, if you follow those steps, it should help your views bounce back. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.